Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2019 Buick Enclave equipped with the Freedom Motors rear entry power ramp. To operate the ramp, you'll use your key fob to hit the liftgate button here. This is going to open up the rear liftgate, and then you can use your secondary key fob to bring that ramp down. Let's go ahead and check out the setup. So this ramp here is going to be 35 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 58 inches. Back here you will have the wheelchair user. This one is going to come with a set of retractable straps. As we make our way in the middle, you will have 2 additional captain's chairs. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger. To bring the ramp back in, you will use your secondary key fob once again to hit this button here. This is going to bring in the ramp. You can then use your primary key fob to close the liftgate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. So this one here is going to have 136,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. This one's also going to come with the leather seats. On top you have the moonroof. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.